Hello, welcome to the channel. Today is an unboxing video. I'm going to be unboxing my latest kitchen gadget, which is a 3-in-1 stand mixer. This stand mixer was given to me as a gift by someone who is a subscriber and also my relative. One of my aunties gifted me this stand mixer. It is really a blessing when you have people who support your work. So auntie, if you're watching this, thank you very much. I don't take this for granted at all. I really appreciate it. Guys, please help me thank her in the comment section. Wait. Yeah. Finally, Khafaga 3-in-1 blender, meat grinder, and mixer. Here is the whisk, the beater, and the dough hook. Oh my! Now I'm just reading the manual. I'm just quickly going through the manual. Guys, tell me, are you the kind of person who sits down to read the whole manual before using your gadget, or you just read it as you're using it? You read as you go. Let me know in the comment section. This gadget will make work so much easier for me now. How are we gonna do this? Come, when I just turn and pull it down, pull the carton down. Yeah. Wait. Let's do this. Behind me. Oh. So guys. Oh, come.
Now is on the floor.
Huh?
One to share.
Oh my goodness! Happy anniversary! Oh my goodness! This is my unboxing. Thank God, no break. So now here is the mixer. The balloon whisks inside. Guys, this blender is glass. It's made of thick glass. You saw that it fell when I opened it. Thick glass. Wow. This is it. The balloon. What's this? Okay. has a digital display here. The balloon whisk is inside. This is the meat mincer. I don't know how much of it I'll be using. We're going to see. This is the dough hook. This is the meat mincer. We're mincing our meat. This is the paddle hook. I'm so excited. If you're a baker, you understand why I'm really excited about these things. Yeah, so I have my stand mixer. This is so thick, so strong. Heavy glass. So thick. I think open here. This is for the blender. So I'm going to. I don't know if it will. I guess I didn't. Well. No.
Yeah, what do you
Huh? This is an arrow here. I think it's supposed to click. Yep, right? Anyway, I'll figure it out. So yeah, this is the blender. This way we'll blend. I'll figure it out and I'll let you guys know. When I figure this out. Okay, yeah, this is for the. No, there's something else I'm supposed to. Oh,
What is it?
eh?
Yes, I'm there.
This arrow points to it. Okay, yeah, see me. Let's do so much. This is for mincing the meat. I'll turn up to the third one. So this is the balloon whisk. Comes with it. Ta-da! So this is the tray for the meat. Dough hook. Hopefully this is going to be. This is the paddle hook. Guys, if you've watched up to this moment and you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. When you subscribe, click on the notification bell. You see that all option? When the bells pop up, click on it so that whenever new videos are posted, you'll be one of the first to get them. And please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Even if you didn't, just give it a thumbs up. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. Okay? Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.